This toilet bowl scrubbing system is so much quicker and more hygienic than the traditional toilet brush. The company sent it to me to test out, and inside the box you get 2 wall-mounted storage caddies, 2 handles, and 48 disposable scrubber refills that already have the cleaner built right into them. Installation is really straightforward. First, clean and dry the wall where you want to mount it. Apply the adhesive sticker and let it sit for 12 hours so it has time to bond properly. After that, you attach the storage caddy right onto the adhesive mount. The handle comes in 2 pieces, so all I had to do was twist them together and it was ready to use. Then it stores neatly inside the caddy until you need it. When it's time to clean, just pull the handle out and press it into one of the disposable scrubber heads. It clicks into place effortlessly, no touching the cleaning pad at all. The scrubber already has cleaner built in, so once it hits the water, you'll see it turn blue. It starts releasing the cleaning solution while you scrub. I also like that the layered scrubber design helps get into the curves around the bowl and under the rim much easier than a traditional toilet brush. It's the perfect size. Once I'm finished, there's no dirty brush sitting around collecting bacteria. You just hold the scrubber over the trash can, press the release button, and the used scrubber drops right into the garbage without having to touch it. Then the handle goes right back into the storage caddy, keeping everything neat, organized, and ready for the next cleaning.